Yeah. I'm using New York ways of starting a video. My bad. I'm gonna throw these glass on real quick. Hope y'all see them. Ooh, gotta clean them off. Can't be riding around with the boo-boo glass fronts. Can't see none out of those. There we go. Yeah. Your boys in the hold on. That, you know what? I only paid like $10 for these joints. Anyway. Alrighty. What's good with y'all? Had a slight interruption earlier, but you know how it is. Alright, so after I'm done a little boosting and wiping it down here, about to take this fast ripper out. And I just turned off the maximum not too long ago. Hopefully I ain't got a spider in my gloves this time around. Last time, boy, surprised the hell out of me. It was a big chunky one too. It's the thick spider that all the other spiders used to holler at. I don't know. Hopefully it wasn't somebody's mama though. Here I go with the commentary. Old boy is riding whatever. Did I stretch today? Whatever. I stretched enough. No, actually not enough. I'm still cracking. What's good with y'all though? Hope y'all having a good weekend. Oh yeah, it's my weekend, so I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. Once again, I never know when I'm gonna upload these, but all I can say is I hope y'all having a good October, since it is October by the time I upload this, because I ain't gonna be that slow with it. So let's take a step back and look at what I'm riding today, since we out here. And I usually try to let y'all see what I'm on. Ooh, I don't want it to mess the paint up. So we have a 2021 Fast Ripper. This is a 29 on some thick slicks, because I like them thick. With a little gold. So it's and the same thing as the beast mode, a little gold, less green and gold, a little money colors on that one. We got I'm not sure what this metallic flake is on this bike, but it's a flake. I'm not sure if the GoPro is picking it up or not. We got a flake. Don't fall, please don't fall. I got disc brakes. Let's see what else. Front and back, they work good. It's I don't know what speed it is. I think it's a 10 speed. So fast rippers come with gears, which is, some people may think is weird, but I used to have a Sonic 6 back in the day. They had gears on it as well. So, and this one even have a bottle holder, so it's almost a hybrid if you want to, you know, get into it. A little bit of commuter with the thick slicks on there, a little mountain bike with the gears and the bottle and stuff, BMX with traditional, just the frame and the handlebars and just the way the you know, the silhouette of the bike. But overall, man, it's a nice bike, man. I bought it at a time I probably shouldn't have bought it. But you know how it is, man. I was a kind of a, I don't know, impulsive buy. I seen it. They had called me at first. I was like, I just bought the beast mode the year before that. I bought the beast. Yeah, I bought a beast mode and the mic buff at the same time. I think within about 4 months of each other, I think I bought the mic buff, which is not here, and I bought the in the beast mode around that time. Then I bought this one in 2021. Limited supply due to whatever is going on in the world, you know, chip shortage, manpower shortage, shutting down plants, so it's a shortage of them. So bikes are, the prices are going up on them. At one time I paid what for my my quad angle, my blue quad angle. I paid $1,000 for, no, around like $890. I think with tax it was like 900 and some change, but you know, I rounded up. So I paid, you know, mic buff was around 900 as well initially, but those bikes have just jumped up to like people paying like 15 and 1600 and almost 1800. I think the Marshawn Lynch beast mode bike was like 2200 somewhere online. I was like, bruh, price is going up, man. I don't know, I'm not sure if they'll stay that way. Same thing with this was 1200. I think it's MSRP if I'm not mistaken. If not, that is marked it up, which to sell it, the online price for this bike is somewhere around 1700. It seems like people are like becoming resellers, or something I don't want to do. It's something I bought the bike because I like bikes, and I wanted this bike in particular. Any thick slick fast ripper I wanted. I couldn't get the 2020 or the 2019, but the 2021 is great. I love the metal flake in it. I don't know, man, it's a good bike. My reviews on bikes are better than my reviews on cars, but I'm gonna get my butt moving. Once again, this will probably be another case of me humming songs and stuff and riding along. Who knows? I don't know. Thick slicks are cool though, man, but if it starts getting like slippery or wet out there, just be careful when you ride thick slicks, because you will end up on your cheeks, bruh. And I'll take the Mustang out later on today. I might GoPro it with the Mustang too and take it for a ride. I've been neglecting the Fox body. I've been driving around. It's been a whole lot of Cedric activity. I even did a POV Cedric. So I feel like I owe the Mustang some attention and love too, man. You know what I'm saying? This channel has a lot of stuff on there. Eventually, I would like to, like I was explaining before, get like what do you want to say? Scooters, go-karts, RC cars, whatever it is, because it's for the love of wheels. So the concept was never just initially to be about cars in general. So I hate to disappoint anybody who was just looking for straight car content. And other things I'm thinking, I'm flirting with other ideas of more content to bring to the channel. So I'm looking at like just doing reviews of cars, ride-alongs, I wouldn't want to call it build biology, like say you want to rip off people and stuff like that, but just like getting to know people and their builds and why they're into cars and just their passions and stuff like that. I don't know, stuff I'm into, because I always like knowing what made them get into cars. Like my story is growing up around, you know, my uncle and cousins, and they had cars and enjoyed it, and I got to ride with them. So it was kind of like when I do my car stuff, I get like a piece of me gets to go back to my childhood and like experience that cool look up to your cousin and your uncle type activity now that I'm older and stuff like that. And hopefully one day I'm able to pass that down to someone, or hopefully my own children or something like that. So that's the goal. Other than that, let's get this bike ride underway. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of adjust this GoPro, so I might turn it off for a quick second. All right, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, you know what it is. I'm not sure which path I'll take today, but there's gonna be probably some wind in here. I think I got it set at a good setting where it's a little bit more linear. It might still be on wide lens. I still haven't looked at any of the videos since I adjusted it. And hopefully I don't run out of battery or memory. I didn't even look and check that. So if it cuts out abruptly, I apologize, y'all. So I'm about to click this music back on and probably do my little sing-along thing while I'm riding. Hope y'all enjoy the footage and the view. Comment, like, subscribe, and share and shit. Hit the bell notification. Ooh, the Genesis? Okay. Well, time to get into it. I had to run into a car on my ride that I like. I like everything, goddamn. It's a damn shame. Uh-oh, the pack. Broccoli. Making that broccoli. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's over? Damn. Bam. 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 Oh, let's see what kind of trouble we can get in without getting thrown off the bike today. Oh yeah, we're not even gonna talk about that. Man, look, he's seen a ghost. What? That's it? Oh, I guess that's it. I'm out of gears. Oh, the air feels good in the tires. We'll see what's going on. It's riding pretty smooth. Got some Wiz Khalifa going. I don't know what song this is though. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, I did it again. Ah, yeah. Yeah. A little faster today since I got gears. Not sure what time we'll get done. It's 11:36 now. I'll try to time it. I'm not sure about the mileage on it, but this includes stops. Yeah. My man was eating his heart away. Stall, Woo! And Star Kid. That boy Wiz always talking about sparking some weed. I mess with it though. Still some of the best ride music you can put on. Like in the car. Bike is alright, but put some Wiz, some Currency, some Larry June. Who else? Dom Kennedy. Big Crit. Good ride music. Hopefully one day me, you know what I mean? Oh. I gotta aim down. I'm not sure if it's 2 down today or not, but hopefully not. I'm not going too aggressive today. I'm not doing like bunny hops and jumps. I'm still kind of out of shape for this bike because my riding has been kind of sporadic throughout the year. We'll see where we go today. Hate to give y'all the same views, same looks. Let's see. What can we do today? We can head more downtown and cut across. It might add a little bit to the trip, but at least y'all get a little bit more of the scenic aspect of the city. So I try to give y'all some looks. I was gonna cross right there, but I seen an army and legion of cars behind me. Ooh, is that joint? Let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides on both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Yeah, can't sing a lick, never said I could. But you put me on some auto-tune, I'm probably be fly as hell. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is a slowed down version too. Want to feel let the smoke clear. I got done. Oh, he stopped. I forgot it. In the real song, he like, ooh, got the Wildcat fans on Impala, baby. The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. They fixed the light, so ain't gonna be no cutting. I'll end up at Oregon though, and the rest of that. That's a toy, yeah. That bigger shit. Like I'm that nigga. Ain't gonna sleep for sure. So I had to ride, and after this gonna be some do what you wanna. I'm a stunner and D.I.E. skirt. Lean and dip, you know what I mean? Lean and dip. I might cross up here, kind of mess around back there, and then come back up the main strip and see how I go. Sorry I can't give y'all no cheek views and nothing like that, but it is what it is. Your boy might just ghost it. Yep, I ain't waiting. They never take me alive. I'm living life against the gotta rebel it, you know what I mean? Can commit a misdemeanor. I'm about to get hit by this caliber real quick. Watch this. Gotta test that out, see if they're paying attention. Just make sure she's watching. I have both of my disc brakes unlocked, just in case. I ain't trying to get my bike towed up, baby. Oh yeah. I was about to cross, but once again, and then they stopped at the crosswalk. Pump faked. This Caliber coming this way now. That's one thing. I try to keep drivers on their toes when it comes to me coming off the sidewalk and making sure they're within their boundaries of the rules and regulations. Man, you got wheels on that too?